The pencil case I'm currently using is from Amazon, and I added these stickers. I got these pens because they honestly look like Muji pens, and they also write pretty well, so it's a win-win situation over here. These pens, they write really well. One of them is black, the other is blue. I'm not really sure which is which, but I have both in my bag anyway. I did not sharpen this yet because I thought it might ruin my pencil case, but yeah, I still have it with me anyway. This is honestly really entertaining to play with, but don't tell anyone that. And this is actually a 0.7 compared to my other pencil. It's a bit thicker. Oh gosh, I recently got it, but it's already really dirty. You can't really see it in the like you can't really see it on camera, but it's really dirty in real life. I don't really know what I did with this. Okay, it just spawned into my pencil case one day, and now I have it. Oh, I forgot to mention I also have this ball pen which I use for like exams and stuff. You have no idea how many times I needed a ball pen and I didn't have one in hand, so that's what I have this for.
What the dog doing?